Hello, and on behalf of the JBL MIS crew, thank you for looking at our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the credit card processing features found in your MIS order entry module. Before we get into the details of how it works, let's briefly discuss credit card security. Many years ago, companies stored unprotected and sensitive credit card information both manually and electronically. No matter how cautious you are with your data, it is open to being hacked. Instead of storing sensitive data, you should let other companies store credit card information for you, as they are required to take certain precautions and they are prepared to assume the risk. Today, credit card processors must adhere to strict security standards in order to remain PCI compliant. One of the ways data security has been enhanced over the past several years is through the use of tokenization. In order to explain tokenization, let's consider the transaction flow. Your customer buys something from you or makes a payment using their credit card. You either scan or manually enter the customer's credit card information on your credit card processor system, which is integrated with your MIS system. It is important to note that you are not entering this sensitive information into your system, and your MIS system is not storing the credit card number. Your MIS system is simply communicating with the credit card processor. Your credit card processor securely stores the credit card information, not you. Your credit card processor then sends your MIS system a credit card token, and your MIS system can store the token for future use. When your customer makes another purchase or payment, your system will automatically submit the token to the processor and wait for approval. In other situations, you might not want to process a credit card up front, but want to tokenize the card for future use. When using the MIS contact email function, you apply for a token, but there is no charge to your customer's credit card. In this case, you will enter their credit card number during the sign-up process to create a token that can be billed later. After listening to our users' experiences with their credit card processors based on customer service, competitive rates, and security, we have chosen to standardize our automatic interface with a popular credit card processor named CardKnox. It is possible that we will also interface with other processors in the future, but at the time of this video, we only support CardKnox. Let's start by creating an order for a customer that already has a credit card token stored in the MIS system. I already have my order on the screen, so let's go ahead and sell them something. And we'll sell one of these. And let's go ahead and total the order. And I'm going to choose method of payment in this case. I've already got credit card selected. I'll hit done. Notice the system knows that there is a credit card token already associated with this account in this contact. I'm going to choose this account. And notice the system said the credit card has been approved and processed. I'll click OK. Then complete and print. And in this case, I may be printing or emailing my invoice. Now at this point, let's access the customer's account. So I'm going to look up the customer's account using our hotkeys. And we'll pull the account up. And you will notice that it shows the invoice has already been paid. My I4 control table is set up to automatically set this invoice as paid when a credit card is used. Let's click on the invoice and look at the details of it. And the system automatically placed the credit card information on the invoice. Now let's take an order for another customer that does not have a credit card token set up yet. And sell them 10 of these quick links. We'll choose to total. And method of payment, we'll choose credit card again. And at this point, the system is now talking to the credit card processor. I will either enter my card number, but if I have a machine at my counter to scan it, I could do that. I'll choose an expiration date. And I also have the option to enter the CVV, the cardholder's name, and this is going to be dependent upon how you have set up your requirements with the credit card processor. It tells me the card has been approved. And now the system is asking me if I would like to store this token for future use. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And notice that it is already tagged to this particular customer. So I will enter the email address. And the contact name. And then I will click add. And now we have added the token, and notice the card number, and it knew it was a Visa, has now been added to our contact email function. There is a separate video on how to use the MIS contact email function. Also, your MIS system allows for the use of interactive credit card payments during cash receipts, and this feature is covered in a separate video. In order to use this feature, we will need to assist you in setting up some control table settings that will allow your MIS system to automatically communicate with a credit card processor. If you have any questions, please call our support center at 800-624-6827. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.